Smoking cannabis doesn't have to hurt. For the smoothest and coldest experience, you need a freezable pipe bubbler, bong, or dab rig from Freeze Pipe. Each piece comes equipped with a freezable glycerin chamber that cools smoke by over 300 degrees. With just an hour freeze, you'll enjoy bigger clouds without any of the chest burn, throat pain, or coughing attacks. It's time to fight fire with ice and smoke like royalty without paying a king's ransom. Shop today at thefreezepipe.com and use the code BEARS for 10% off. That's thefreezepipe.com and 10% off with the code BEARS. Shop today and say goodbye to harsh smoke forever.